Every day, about 4,000 people are dying on the road by traffic accidents. What if there's a way to save those lives with only a few seconds of warnings? MDAS, MOVON's ADAS reflects real-time road conditions and vehicle information to give warnings for potential accidents. Pedestrian collision warning. MDAS is a vision-based solution. It detects different types of vehicles, motorcycles, cyclists, and pedestrians. Speed limit recognition. Lane departure warning. Forward collision warning. The warnings cover all safe distance, lane departures, collisions, and speeding. Plus, it supports 2-channel video recordings just like a dash cam. MOVON's DSM analyzes driver behaviors in real time. There are different categories: drowsiness, yawning, distractions, phone use, and smoking. Also, it identifies the driver.
We installed MDAS-9 together with Fleet Management Solution, FMS. We collect drivers' driving behavior information, which generated from MDAS-9, and analyze it to score drivers. We saw the accident rates are reduced, and it is helpful to prevent from accidents. Our buses are connected all the time, and we get to track them in real time. We also learn our drivers' driving behavior and how they behave on the road. It gives lots of benefit for us, especially passenger safety-wise. It is a very useful solution for us.
It prevents accidents and creates a safe driving environment for all. Let's move on. Total road safety solution.